What's up, YouTube? This is the Life of Loc. I'm trying something new. I'm gonna do these like quick unboxings, and I'm gonna try to start doing some more vlogs, kind of just my everyday life. Recently got it back into sneakers, so I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing on my bedroom floor. Try to keep these as short as possible. Show the sneakers. My first ever Nike win off of the sneakers app. They changed up their box though. I mean, it doesn't have Nike branding anymore. I think it's a lot of stolen packages. Standard Nike red box, size 9.5 women's, 8 men's, and these are going to be, I think these are called the University Gold. Woo, they are nice. Look at that. Yellow outsole, orange all around the shoe, kind of a gold swoosh. Yeah, nothing too crazy. The liner feels a lot softer on this pair. The leather here is kind of nice actually compared to some of the other dunks that I've had. So yeah, take a look at these. I think dunks fit true to size. I think maybe even half a size down if you like that snugger fit. But yeah, not too bad of a pickup, especially for retail. Can't complain. I do plan on just wearing these and keeping them, but we'll see. I know resale prices aren't too crazy on them, so we'll see. But I don't know why my pair came unlaced. It's kind of suspicious. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about these. Hit that like button if you guys like this video. Comment if you like the content, and then subscribe. I'm gonna be trying some of these quicker videos, quicker unboxings, kind of what I've been picking up, and kind of see the vibes on those. Peace.